A very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to start another topic, that is binary number system. The binary number system consists of only two digits, that is 0 and 1. Binary number system consists of only two digits. Binary means bi means 2. So binary number system uses only two digits, and that is 0 and 1. Since this system uses two digits, it has the base 2. Two digits are used in this number system, so it has the base 2. All digital computers use this number system and convert the input data from the decimal format into its binary equivalent. All the digital computer uses binary number system and convert the input data from the decimal format into the binary equivalent, that is in the form of 0 and 1 sequence, as computer easily understands 0 and 1. Why binary? A computer cannot understand human language. Rather, it understands only the binary code. Computer cannot understand human language. This we all know. It only understands the binary code, that is in the form of 0 and 1. That is also known as a machine language. Therefore, the data that is entered into a computer is converted into its binary equivalent. So the data that is entered in the computer is firstly converted into its binary equivalent, that is in the form of 0 and 1. It further converts the binary result into its decimal equivalent to generate an output. Now binary result cannot be easily understood by the human, so it has to be converted into its decimal equivalent so that an output can be generated for the users, for the humans. Computer understands binary equivalent, but the user, the human, cannot easily understand the 0-1 sequence. So result has to be further translated into decimal equivalent for the users to easily understand. Next is conversion of decimal into binary number system. The equivalence between binary and decimal numbers can be understood with the given examples. To convert a decimal number system into a binary number, follow the given rules. First rule is divide the given decimal number with the base 2. Write down the remainder and divide the quotient again by 2. Repeat the step 2 till the quotient is 0. Write the remainders obtained in each step in the reverse order to form the binary equivalent of the given decimal number. That is, placing the least significant digit at the top and the most significant digit at the bottom. Let's first consider example. First given decimal number is 25. We need to divide this given decimal number with the base 2, as binary system has two digits. So the base of this number system is 2. 2 multiplied by 12 equals to 24. Remainder is 1. 2 multiplied by 6 equals to 12. Remainder is 0. 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6. Remainder is 0. 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 2. Remainder is 1. 2 multiplied by 0 equals to 0. 1 minus 0. Remainder is 1. So quotient is 0. Now we will stop dividing it, as the quotient is 0 now, and we will write the remainders, these remainders in each step in the reverse order, starting from the most significant digit. Most significant digit is at the bottom, that is 1, and least significant digit is 1, that is the top. We will write starting from the most significant digit in the reverse order till the least significant digit. 25, its base is 10 because it is in decimal number system, equals to 1 1 0 0 1, starting from most significant digit till least significant digit, and it has the base 2 because it is converted into binary number system, and binary number system has the base 2 and base of the number is given as a subscript. This we had already discussed in the introduction. Second example, 321. 2 multiplied by 160 is equals to 320, remainder is 1. We will now divide the given quotient until the quotient is 0. Next, 2 multiplied by 80 equals to 160, remainder is 0. 2 multiplied by 40 is equals to 80, remainder is 0. 2 multiplied by 20 is equals to 40, remainder is 0. 2 multiplied by 10 is equals to 20, remainder is 0. 2 multiplied by 5 is equals to 10, remainder is 0. 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4, remainder is 1. 2 multiplied by 1 is equals to 2, remainder is 0. 2 multiplied by 0 is equals to 0 and remainder is 1. So we will write the binary equivalent starting from the most significant digit till the least significant digit. Most significant digit is at the bottom and least significant digit is at the top. 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1, and its base is 2 because the decimal number system has been converted into binary number system. Observe that the remainders obtained in each step are written in the reverse order. All the remainders that are obtained in each step are written in the reverse order to form the binary equivalent of that decimal number. Next conversion is binary to decimal number. To convert a binary number into its equivalent decimal number, follow these steps. First is multiply each binary number with its positional value, which is in terms of power of 2. Why 2? Because we are having a binary number system and binary number system has the base 2. Starting from the extremely right digit, increase the power 1 by 1, keeping the base fixed as 2. Calculate the sum of all the products to get the decimal number. Let's start with first example. These rules will be clear to you. 1 0 1 0, its base is 2. It is in binary number system. Now we need to multiply each binary number with its positional value, which is in terms of power of 2. Why 2? Because it is binary number system and binary number system has the base 2. That is why each binary number is multiplied with positional value of 2. And we will start with the extremely right digit, and the extremely right digit is 0. 0 multiplied by 2, its power is 0 because its position is unit place. Then tens, 100, 1000. So we will multiply each digit with its positional value, that is in terms of power of 2. And firstly, the first power will be 0. To any number that has the power 0 is equals to 1. 0 multiplied by 1 is equals to 0. Next digit is 1. 1 multiplied by 2 power 1. 2 raised to the power 1 means 2. 1 multiplied by 2 is equals to 2. Next digit is 0 multiplied by 2 power 2. 2 power 2 means 2 multiplied by 2, and that is equals to 4. 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. 0 multiplied by 4 is equals to 0. 1 multiplied by 2 power 3. Next digit is 1. Multiply by, base will remain fixed, only the power will increase. 2 power 3. 2 raised to the power 3 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is equals to 8. 1 multiplied by 8 is equals to 8. Now calculate the sum of all the products to get the decimal number. 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 8 is equals to 10. 1010 is in binary number system, so its base will be 2, and it is in decimal number, so its base will be 10. Clear example? We will multiply each binary number with its positional value, that is in terms of power of 2, and starting from the extremely right digit. We will start from the extremely right digit, not from this type, from the right digit side, and then keep on increasing the power 1 by 1, keeping the base fixed as 2. We will keep the base fixed, only the power will increase 1 by 1, and at last calculate the sum of all the products. Second example, 1001. We will start with extremely right digit, that is 1, multiply by 2, and its power will be 0. Any number that has power 0 is equals to 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is equals to 1. Next digit is 0 multiplied by 2 power 1. Power will increase from 1 by 1, and the base will remain fixed. 2 multiplied by 1 is equals to 2. 0 multiplied by 2 is equals to 0. Next digit is 0. 0 multiplied by 2 power 2. 2 power 2 means 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4, and 0 multiplied by 4 is equals to 0. 1 multiplied by 2 power 3. Power will keep on increasing, but base will remain fixed. 2 power 3 means 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is equals to 8. 1 multiplied by 8 is equals to 8. Then sum of all the products. 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. 1 plus 8 is equals to 9, and its base will be 10.